It's a big change, but it feels good. First of all, it's a fun thing to do, and then it's also feels like something you need to do in this day when the world is changing so rapidly.
Whoever possesses the island from a military perspective can then affect the air movement and the movement on the Baltic Sea as well. So we have different intelligence showing, of course, that it's vital for Russia, being also a Baltic Sea region nation, to keep control of what the Swedes we are doing on the island, and now within a NATO context.